Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Windows 11 keyboard is suddenly typing multiple characters when you only press a key once, it is usually caused by an overly sensitive repeat rate or a conflicting accessibility setting. I will show you exactly how to adjust these delays and fix your double typing right now. Let's get started. First, Windows has a built-in speed setting that dictates exactly how long a key must be held down before it starts repeating the character. Open your Windows Start menu, type Control Panel, and launch the application. Change the View By option in the top right corner to large icons or small icons, and then click on the Keyboard menu. Under the Speed tab, look for the slider named Repeat Delay, and drag it slightly closer to the long side, then click Apply and OK. Next, background accessibility features designed to help users with physical motor challenges can frequently glitch and cause keys to stick or duplicate. Open your Windows settings, navigate to the Accessibility tab on the left sidebar, and scroll down to select Keyboard. Check the top of the menu and ensure both sticky keys and filter keys are completely toggled off. Even if they look disabled, click into each specific menu and ensure any keyboard shortcuts that trigger them are also unchecked so they don't accidentally turn back on. Finally, if the typing speed is perfectly configured but the ghost inputs persist, your core keyboard driver may be corrupted and misinterpreting the hardware signals. Right-click your Windows Start button and select Device Manager from the Power User menu. Expand the Keyboards category, right-click on your primary keyboard device and explicitly select Uninstall Device. Unplug your keyboard and plug it into a completely different USB port, or if you are on a laptop, simply restart your computer to force Windows to install a fresh driver. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.